Hi, friends, welcome to my channel learn.pk. Subscribe my channel to learn daily new things. Online earning. Here's a guide on how to earn money online. Identify your skills and interests. Start by identifying your skills, expertise, and interests. This could include anything from writing, graphic design, coding, social media management, consulting, teaching, and more. Knowing your strengths and passions will help you choose the right online earning opportunities that align with your abilities. Research online earning opportunities. There are numerous ways to earn money online. Research different platforms and websites that offer opportunities for online earning, such as freelancing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, online marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon, affiliate marketing, blogging, online surveys, online tutoring, and more. Learn about their requirements, payment methods, and reviews from other users to make informed decisions. Create a professional online presence. Having a professional online presence is crucial for online earning. Create a well-designed and user-friendly website or blog to showcase your skills, portfolio, and services. Use social media platforms to promote your services and engage with potential clients or customers. Build a strong online brand that reflects your expertise and professionalism. Build your network. Networking is important for any business, including online earning. Join relevant online communities, forums, and social media groups related to your niche. Connect with other professionals, potential clients, and customers. Build relationships, share your expertise, and seek opportunities for collaborations or partnerships. Market your services/products. Utilize various marketing strategies to promote your services or products. This could include search engine optimization, SEO, for your website, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Create compelling and engaging content that resonates with your target audience and drives traffic to your online offerings. Provide exceptional customer service. Customer satisfaction is crucial for online success. Provide exceptional customer service to your clients or customers to build trust, loyalty, and positive reviews. Respond promptly to inquiries, deliver high-quality work, and exceed expectations. Happy customers are more likely to refer you to others and become repeat customers. Keep learning and improving. The online earning landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and technologies in your niche. Continuously improve your skills, offerings, and business strategies. Invest in your professional development through online courses, workshops, and certifications to stay ahead of the competition. Manage your finances. Online earning may involve multiple income streams and payment methods. Keep track of your earnings, expenses, and taxes. Set up a separate bank account for your online earnings to manage your finances effectively. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or accountant to ensure compliance with tax laws and optimize your financial management. Remember, earning money online requires effort, dedication, and perseverance. It may take time to build a sustainable online income, so be patient and persistent. With the right skills, strategies, and mindset, you can successfully earn money online and achieve your financial goals. Good luck! Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel learn.pk and hit the bell icon for new video notifications. Thanks!